Have you ever considered that your daily routines might be silently sabotaging your health? In today's video, we're diving deep into the 7 everyday habits you didn't know were harming your health, and more importantly, how to fix them. These are habits so ingrained in our lives that we often overlook their potential risks. From the way we sit at our desks to our evening wind-down rituals, these seemingly harmless actions could be affecting your well-being in ways you never imagined. We'll uncover surprising health risks associated with these common habits and provide you with practical, easy-to-implement alternatives that align perfectly with your wellness journey. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your sleep quality, or enhance your overall health, this video is packed with valuable insights tailored for you. So, if you're ready to transform your everyday routines and take charge of your health, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only be aware of these hidden dangers but also equipped with simple strategies to make positive changes. Let's get started on the path to a healthier, happier you. Number 7, in our fast-paced world, the art of mindfulness often takes a backseat, leading to increased stress and anxiety. This habit ranks at number 7 because while it may not seem as detrimental as others, its cumulative effects can significantly impact mental health. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, allowing us to appreciate life's simple pleasures and reduce overwhelming thoughts. Without it, we often find ourselves lost in a whirlwind of distractions, making it harder to focus and enjoy our daily experiences. Unlike higher-ranked habits that may lead to immediate physical health issues, the consequences of neglecting mindfulness manifest more subtly over time. This can result in chronic stress, poor emotional regulation, and even hindered relationships. Practicing mindfulness can be as simple as taking a few moments each day to breathe deeply, meditate, or engage in mindful eating. While it may not be the most pressing issue compared to habits like poor sleep or unhealthy eating, the lack of mindfulness can set the stage for more serious health concerns down the line. By recognizing its importance and incorporating mindfulness into your routine, you can pave the way for a more balanced and fulfilling life. Number 6, sleep hygiene is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. This habit ranks at number 6 because while many people recognize the importance of sleep, they frequently disregard the practices that promote quality rest. Neglecting sleep hygiene can lead to restless nights, fatigue, and diminished cognitive function, making it harder to tackle daily tasks effectively. Sleep hygiene encompasses a variety of habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and limiting screen time before bed. Unlike higher-ranked habits that may have immediate physical repercussions, the effects of poor sleep hygiene can accumulate over time, leading to chronic sleep deprivation and its associated risks, including weakened immunity and increased stress levels. What sets neglecting sleep hygiene apart is its insidious nature. Many individuals may not realize how their nightly routines impact their sleep quality until it's too late. In contrast to more pressing issues like poor nutrition or lack of exercise, sleep hygiene is often seen as a secondary concern. However, by prioritizing good sleep practices, you can significantly enhance your mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall health, making it a vital aspect of your wellness journey. Number 5, the sweet allure of sugar is hard to resist, but excessive consumption ranks at number 5 for a reason. While sugar can provide a quick energy boost, its overuse can lead to a cascade of health issues, including weight gain, increased risk of diabetes, and heart disease. This habit is particularly concerning because sugar is often hidden in everyday foods, making it easy to consume far more than we realize. What sets using too much sugar apart is its immediate gratification versus long-term consequences. Unlike habits that may have a more gradual impact, the effects of high sugar intake can manifest quickly, leading to energy crashes and mood swings. This roller coaster of highs and lows can create a cycle of cravings, making it difficult to break free from the sweet temptation. In contrast to higher-ranked habits that may directly affect physical health, the dangers of sugar are often masked by its pleasurable taste. By reducing sugar intake and opting for natural sweeteners or whole fruits, you can stabilize your energy levels and improve your overall health. Recognizing the hidden sugars in your diet and making conscious choices can pave the way for a healthier lifestyle, making this habit a crucial area for improvement. Number 4. Staying properly hydrated is often underestimated, yet it ranks at number 4 due to its profound impact on overall health. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, from regulating temperature to aiding digestion and maintaining cognitive function. Ignoring hydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and decreased physical performance, making it a critical habit to address. What distinguishes ignoring hydration from other habits is its pervasive nature. Many people simply forget to drink enough water throughout the day, especially when busy or distracted. Unlike more visible health issues, the effects of dehydration can creep up on you, manifesting as subtle signs like dry skin or irritability before escalating into more serious concerns. In contrast to higher-ranked habits that may have immediate and severe consequences, the repercussions of neglecting hydration can be gradual yet debilitating. While you might not feel the effects right away, chronic dehydration can lead to long-term health issues, including kidney stones and urinary tract infections. By prioritizing hydration, aiming for at least 8 glasses of water a day or incorporating hydrating foods into your diet, you can enhance your energy levels, improve your mood, and support your overall wellness, making this habit a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. Number 3, often dubbed the most important meal of the day, skipping breakfast ranks at number 3 due to its significant impact on energy levels and overall health. Breakfast serves as the fuel that kickstarts your metabolism and provides essential nutrients after a night of fasting. When you skip this vital meal, you risk experiencing decreased concentration, irritability, and fatigue, which can hinder your productivity throughout the day. What sets skipping breakfast apart is its immediate effect on your body and mind. Unlike habits that may take time to manifest, the consequences of missing breakfast can be felt within hours, leading to poor decision-making and increased cravings later in the day. This can result in unhealthy snacking or overeating at lunch, ultimately sabotaging your dietary goals. In contrast to higher-ranked habits that may have more severe long-term health implications, the effects of skipping breakfast are often more immediate and noticeable. By prioritizing a balanced breakfast rich in protein, healthy fats, and whole grains, you can stabilize your blood sugar levels and enhance your focus. Embracing this habit not only sets a positive tone for the day but also supports your overall wellness journey, making it a crucial aspect of healthy living. Number 2, in our digital age, overusing your phone ranks at number 2 due to its pervasive impact on both mental and physical health. While smartphones offer convenience and connectivity, excessive screen time can lead to a host of issues, including eye strain, disrupted sleep patterns, and heightened anxiety. The constant barrage of notifications and social media updates can create a sense of urgency that keeps us glued to our screens, often at the expense of real-life interactions and experiences. What sets overusing your phone apart is its dual nature. It can be both a tool for productivity and a source of distraction. Unlike habits that may have more straightforward consequences, the effects of phone overuse can be insidious, gradually eroding our attention spans and diminishing our ability to engage in meaningful conversations. In contrast to the top-ranked habit, which may have more immediate physical health implications, the repercussions of excessive phone use often manifest in mental fatigue and social isolation. By setting boundaries around screen time, such as designated phone-free hours or engaging in offline activities, you can reclaim your focus and enhance your overall well-being. Prioritizing real-world connections and mindful phone usage can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life, making this habit a critical area for improvement. Number 1. sitting for long periods ranks at number 1 due to its alarming impact on overall health and well-being. In an era where many of us are glued to our desks or screens for hours on end, the consequences of prolonged sitting are becoming increasingly evident. This sedentary lifestyle is linked to a myriad of health issues, including obesity, cardiovascular disease, and even early mortality. What sets sitting for long periods apart is its pervasive nature. It's a habit that many people engage in daily, often without realizing the toll it takes on their bodies. Unlike other habits that may have more immediate effects, the dangers of prolonged sitting accumulate over time, leading to weakened muscles, poor posture, and increased risk of chronic conditions. In contrast to the second-ranked habit of overusing your phone, which can affect mental health, the physical ramifications of sitting too long are far-reaching and can severely impact your quality of life. By incorporating regular movement breaks, standing desks, or even short walks throughout the day, you can counteract the negative effects of sitting. Prioritizing movement not only enhances physical health but also boosts mood and productivity, making this habit the most critical area for improvement in your daily routine. In today's video, we explored the top 7 everyday habits you didn't know were harming your health, uncovering surprising risks that may be lurking in your daily routines. We ranked these habits from number 7, where we discussed the importance of practicing mindfulness, to number 6, highlighting the critical role of sleep hygiene. We then examined the dangers of using too much sugar at number 5, followed by the often overlooked issue of ignoring hydration at number 4. At number 3, we emphasized the significance of not skipping breakfast, while number 2 revealed the mental and physical toll of overusing your phone. Finally, we crowned sitting for long periods as the number 1 habit to address, given its profound impact on overall health. Each of these habits presents unique challenges, but the good news is that practical, healthier alternatives are within reach. By making small adjustments to your daily routine, you can significantly enhance your well-being and quality of life. We encourage you to dive deeper into these topics and consider how you can implement these changes in your own life. Remember, every small step counts towards a healthier you. Let's take action today and prioritize our health for a brighter tomorrow.